Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. So if you want to know how I achieved that beautiful eye work you saw at the intro, kindly watch through this video. Don't skip any part because I made this video as detailed as possible. So please do not skip any part, okay? So I have done my brows and my foundation. So even how I achieved this brows, I will leave a link up and also in the description box below so you can go and watch it and learn. So I wouldn't want to talk much in this video. I just want you to watch, enjoy the music and do your thing. So please do give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not. Hit the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also leave your comments in the comment section. I always enjoy reading your comments, guys. Keep it coming. Leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned one or two things from this video and I will see you in my next one.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,